Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy you are here. I have actually been gone for a little bit. I went to Charleston, South Carolina for work and it was amazing. I was able to photograph a styled shoot down there, and then I also got new headshots for my business, so that is really exciting. I got a beautiful dress from asos.com. It has like sequins and then it's tulle down the rest. And it's like mauve color. I loved it. I'm so excited to share those with you hopefully in the next couple weeks. But since I have been gone, I did film a bunch of cleaning videos before I went, but I'm still editing them. And since I had so many issues with audio at the last cleaning video, I kind of want to get the next ones right. So I'm probably gonna take a little bit more time to try and edit those, but I wanted to get something up for you guys since I know it's been probably about like a week. And I'm trying to do, a couple videos every week, so I'm way behind. So if you are new to this channel, welcome. I'm Krista. I'm so happy you are here. I'm doing cleaning videos. This one today is going to be a clothing haul, kind of like a fall toddler boy clothing haul. I do a lot of the Grove collaborative hauls, so I actually have a box coming today, so I might try and film that while Wyatt is napping. He's napping right now. He's driving me nuts right now. This must be like a 2.5 year sleep regression or something is going on. Yesterday he woke up at 3:30 in the morning, like 3:30 a.m. That was early. And then of course he went back down at like 8 and then slept till 10 and then went back down at like 2:30. It's been nuts. Usually he wakes up at like 8 or 8:30 and then doesn't take his nap until about 1 o'clock in the afternoon, maybe 2 o'clock, then sleeps for like 2 or 3 hours. That's like his norm. But it's been crazy. So right now I just put him back down because he woke up at 6 o'clock, 6:15 I think is when I started hearing him making noise. And he was falling asleep on the couch, and it's like 8 o'clock I think right now. So I was like, you're going back up to your crib, you're gonna try and sleep for maybe another hour or two and then come back down and be normal. So while he's doing that, I figured I'd film his fall clothing haul. So usually every year about, fall, spring, I try to get stuff for that season. Some stuff I do get the year prior, so I will go through those real quick. So, pajamas. At the end of wintertime every year, I always go to the clearance racks and buy fleece pajamas, just a couple of them, usually the next size up from what he's wearing. So last year, he was wearing, let's see, even though he was like 1.5 years, he was wearing the 2T size, and now that he's 2 or 2.5, then I'm assuming he's going to be in the 3T size for fleece. We always have the size up one for fleece, just because it doesn't stretch. So I got these on clearance. They're just your normal fleece. These are from Carter. So I'm hoping they fit him. These are just animals. So these were like $9.90 on clearance, and I think there's even an extra percentage off when I bought them. The funny thing is that when I bought these, I thought these were so big. I was like, oh my gosh, he's never gonna be able to fit into these. These are so big. No, he will. This is the other one I bought. So this one I saw and I just loved, and it's way too big, but he will grow into it. So this is a 4T, but it's super cute. It's like that waffle weave, and then it comes with fleece pants. So super excited for all these. One of the main reasons why I'm doing this clothing haul right now is because I bought all this and he needs to be wearing it right now because the lows are in the 30s. It got cold. So that was Carter's. That was from like the Carter store, Carter outlet, I think. Okay, so now I went to Kohls, which it had actually been a long time since I shopped at Kohls. Long enough that they closed my credit card. So I went shopping there and I was like, this is awkward because my card would not work because I called afterwards and they're like, oh yeah, your account has been closed. I'm like, oh, okay. It's been a while since I've shopped there. So anyway, this is the only short sleeve thing I bought, but he loves puppy dog pals. Like, he's obsessed with puppy dog pals, so I bought this. This is a 3T, so that'll fit him even into next spring and stuff. All right, I need coffee. I'm rocking my Fair cup since Fair was last week. All right, this is Blaze. It's long sleeve Blaze. He loves Blaze, so Got some Blaze shirts. I usually only get maybe like 5 or 6 like graphic tees that have a design on them or a critter or something. Then the rest I'll just get like your plain basic colored tees. This one I thought was just super cute for Christmas. It's Snoopy. Again, long sleeve. I like to get a couple. Like I think last year I got a really cute shirt from Old Navy that said like elf size. Oh, it was adorable. Hey, you know, he's only this young once, and once he gets older, he's not gonna let me dress him, so I might as well dress him in super cute stuff. So this is another Blaze. So again, just long sleeve, your basic long sleeve. This one was really cute. Not really Christmas, but it was just cute. It's Mickey and Pluto. He loves Mickey and Pluto. They're like camping, got a little fire. It's adorable. This one is 3. Oh, those were all the Jumping Bean, right? I think. Yeah, so all of those were this Jumping Bean brand. These are Carter's at Kohls. This is Brave. It's nothing too exciting, but he likes dinosaurs, so this. Oh. Okay, so I love, it's like a giant polar bear. Again, this is my only time to dress him in cute things. So, cute little polar bear. I'm not loving the pants. They're camo. I don't really like putting him in camo. I'm not a huge fan of the pants, but the sweater. Loving the sweater. And it has like a little hood. And then it's fleece lined. It's like a light fleece though, so it's not like massive, but it's like just a nice light fleece. So, I love this polar bear. He had, when he was like a baby, I had, it was like a vest, and it was like the polar fleece and stuff, like little like ribs on it. And then like it had a little hood that had like little ears. It was so cute. Again, my only time to dress him. Versus when he's like 5 and he's like, I just want to wear skulls. So, you know, whatever. I'm probably never going to let him wear skulls, actually. I'm going to be one of those moms. You know, when he's 18 or like in high school or whatever, he can go express himself. But for a while, he needs to like dress cute. Okay. So, this is all Old Navy. There's one Old Navy thing that I don't have here with me because he's already worn it and I washed it. And I don't know where it is. Somewhere in the chaos of the laundry. It's just a cable knit like navy blue sweater with like buttons right here. We wore it for family pictures, so that's why it's already been laundered and I have no idea where it is. So maybe I'll like throw up a picture. I don't know. We'll see. It's pretty, but I'm sure you'll see it around. So okay, this is Old Navy. This is also 3T, so everything's pretty much 3T. This is I Dig It, National Geographic. Cute little dinosaurs. Again, he's all about the dinosaurs right now. So these are like jogger pants and they're fleece. They have the little bears on them. So again, I could totally put this with this. And see, he'd be like a little bear person. He'd hate me. I can't wait till he's older and he sees these pictures and he's like, Mom, you dress me in the craziest things. I'm like, yes, I know. Okay, this is Old Navy 3T, just a little Mickey shirt. I guess this is short sleeve. So I did buy something else that was short sleeve, but it's Mickey. He loves Mickey. So these are really nice pants. I'm pretty excited about these. These are, they're long pants, but they're really like super thin. Like, I don't know if you can tell how thin they are. Like, they're really, like, you can kind of see through them. They're so thin, which I feel like are good to have, just because he gets sweaty. he follows the family trend of just being a sweaty person. Sorry, I still need caffeine. So he just gets hot, which is why I kind of like to have some short sleeve shirts running around too, but obviously I like having the thicker pants for going outside. He has jeans. His jeans are already upstairs. I actually bought them last year on clearance. I bought them at like 3T and 4T. I feel like his size has always changed, and obviously once he gets potty trained and he doesn't have a diaper, then I know this stuff will fit for even longer because he doesn't have a big diaper in his pants. Alright, so this is another one of those pants. I just got 2 of them because I like them so much. Hopefully he does. These are fleece line joggers, again, 3T. They have Mickey on them. They got little pockets. He loves pockets. So he gets really excited when he has pockets. So, and then I got these. These are like little dinosaur ones. So again, to go with the dinosaur theme, just fleece joggers, pretty much it. But I think it goes, does it go with the, where's the dinosaur shirt? Dang it, I can't find it now. It was like just here. Where'd it go? Oh well. My whole thought process, oh here we go. Yeah, see? So this can like go together to some extent. And then they can be like the little dino man. See? Cute little dino man. Okay. So that's that. You know what? I thought I got... No. Yeah, so I think I need to buy long sleeve, long pant pajamas. I thought I had actually bought some, but it looks like this was just like more pants and stuff. Because he's run low. He only has maybe like 3 or 4 long shirt, long pant pajamas. So he needs more. So this is just joggers. You know, just kind of like, it's like a black and gray. Nothing too exciting. These are the same. These are black, gray, but they're the same style. Again, just joggers. You might be like, you have like 8 pairs of joggers here. I'm well aware of that. I'm not someone who likes to do laundry, you know, every day. I mentally like can't. Like I like to do 2 days of just like laundry both days, but that might not happen for like a week and a half maybe. So I like to have enough clothes that I can like get him through a full week, if not a week and a half, and then have to do laundry. Because it's just, if I'm doing it like every day or every other day, I forget about it. That's when it sits in the washer and it gets grody and it's not good. So I'm just one of those people that just does not work. So I think, are these pajamas? These might be, no. Oh, you know what? Some of these were from crap. Some of these were from the children's place. Yeah. So these pants, these or basketball ones or whatever, these were all from the children's place. And I think some of these, yeah, some of these pants were children's place too. I forgot that. I forgot that it was all like mixed in. I think it's just those. I think it's just those pants for children's place, and then this outfit's children's place. So this is Cars. Long sleeve shirt, and then I got the pants to match. And again, these are just like thin. These aren't fleece lined or anything. These are just nice and thin. But this is also children's place. So yeah, so that's pretty much shirts. Dog just did something. Sweatshirts and sweatshirts and jogger pants. So what I still need to buy are socks, because I thought I had enough socks for him, but he of course grew. So his socks don't fit anymore. And then I need to get more pajamas for him, since he doesn't have that many pajamas. I actually need to finish going through his whole like cupboard and just see what he has and what he doesn't have and what fits, what doesn't fit. We pulled a lot of pajamas out last night that didn't fit, because there was a lot of like zippered cotton onesies that were all 2T, so those are way too small for him. But yeah, so I'm probably gonna take the tags off all these and go put them in the laundry. So if y'all want to come with me for all that, then I'll just start doing that right now. So if you're gonna head out at this point, then I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then just send me a like. Like this video. You can subscribe. Like I said, I'm trying to do a couple videos a week. I know last week was a little crazy since I was gone, but I'm trying to get those cleaning videos done and uploaded so you can see. So, because our house has kind of been a disaster. And also, probably in the next like month and a half, there's gonna be like a huge cleaning series, essentially, because I have like 3 days solid that I can clean without a kid here. So it's gonna be amazing. I'm kind of excited to like go nuts and clean. So I'll miss Wyatt, but being able to like clean everything and like organize everything and know that I have like an entire day to do it, I'm really excited about, because our house has just been, this past wedding season was just super busy, and I'm just excited to clean and get organized. I mean, I'm talking like closet cleaning, the basement laundry cleaning, which you'll probably see a little bit of that in this clip later on. But the basement laundry is like terrifying. I'm excited to do the closets, our bedroom closet, my office upstairs. That's like, we have like 2 rooms where like things go to die. Essentially my office and then the back bedroom, like the guest bedroom. Those 2 rooms literally, it's just like, oh, okay. Cause like the back bedroom's also like the craft room. So things just go in there and they die and they don't come back out for several years. So I'm excited to really dive into those rooms. So I'm gonna film all of that. So you're gonna see massive organization and cleaning. I have all that planned. So I'm excited to get that, but again, that's not gonna be, that'll probably be like the end of November when those videos go up, just because I just don't know how long it's gonna take me and then take me to edit those. So I'll probably have to break them up. Otherwise you'll be like, I'm watching her clean for like 2 hours and that's still like sped up. So, all right, I've been talking a bunch. So I'm gonna take tags off of these and go put them in the laundry. All right, thanks for watching, bye.
Wanna shake the ground, wanna break away, let loose. I'm tired of waiting, gotta make that move. All the neon signs, now they shout to me and you to write our story. Wanna shape the new. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna? Got a restless mind, and now I won't let go. So let us be crazy before we're cold. You can take us out, your doubts won't hold us down, 'cause we're gonna light up the sky where we go. Oh, oh. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna?
Alright, thanks for watching. This is the scary basement that I'm excited to clean. So, oh goodness, this is a disaster. But you get to see our crazy basement. So, alright, thanks for watching so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!